The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rose Hill, moving south at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bluffton, Jasper, Hardyville, Sunday City, Pritchardville, Rose Hill, Kalawasi Island, Coastal Carolina Hospital, and Morgan. This includes Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 4 and 11. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.